I saw your email. Suppose you just received a shipment of 15 television. Two of the televisions are defective, so that means 13 are working. If two are randomly selected, compute the probability that both work. So I use W for work. What is the probability at least one of the two does not work? And so probability of work, first one works and second one works. So I just said probability W and W. Well, the rule is that's probability the first one works times the probability the second works. So 13 out of 15 of them work. There's two defective. So you're assuming that you got one out that works. Well, if you got one out that works here, then you're only left with 14, and if you got one works here, you're only left with 12 working. And so the second one, 12 out of 14, and you multiply and simplify. I guess you got to convert to a decimal here. That's the first part. The second part, whenever it says at least one, you should automatically think of the complement rule. So probability at least one does not work. So that means probability at least one or two does not work. The complement is that both of them work, which is what we just found. And so the complement rule is 1 minus P. They both work, which we just calculated. And so again, you could put shit in calculator if you need a decimal. So anytime they say probability at least one, think about the complement. Hope this helps.